everybody, my name is Cora and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope everybody's doing okay and keeping safe during the pandemic. I decided to go ahead and do a YouTube video to keep myself busy during the shelter in place, and also because I've been placed on maternity leave. So don't mind me if I'm a little nervous during the video. So as for my first video, I've decided to do an unboxing for the Louis Vuitton Summer 2020 Escale collection. And I was able to get my hands on a Speedy Bandouliere, which have been released in the end of March, or I believe beginning of April of 2020. And they've been out of stock for the past couple months. And I've been very lucky to be able to finally get one, and it just delivered to my house a couple days ago, and I have been waiting to unbox this video. So let's go ahead and get started. So I will just show you the box. First, it's a pretty big box, takes up the whole screen. Then, been waiting very patiently to open this box. And so here is the envelope that it came in, and this just kind of just shows the receipt, I guess, on here. Okay, grab it. This might be a little hard to take out. Excuse me. Here is the box. Came a little damaged, but that's okay as long as the purse is not damaged, right? Alrighty. And here's the dust bag. I will do a video later on, wow, to show you close-ups of the purse. And wow, this is beautiful. There you go. Oops. So this I got obviously in the Pastel. Show you there. Okay. So I'm gonna go ahead and do some close-up videos for you. So here's a Louis Vuitton Escale in the Speedy Bandouliere 30 in the monogram coated canvas, and it's in pastel pink. And there's the monogram on the smaller monogram on the sides, and the large monogram in the front or back, and also on the other side. And at the bottom, it's also the larger monogram. And then here's the two handles. They're pretty stiff in the pastel pink. And it comes with the silver colored hardware here. And it also has on the sides right here, if you can see it, to place shoulder straps. So let's go ahead and remove the shoulder straps. And there's also a few things in the bag. A little LV Escale, it's like a little description of it. And then It's a little canvas bag. I'm assuming it's for the lock when you don't want it on. Okay, also on the outside you have here the keys to the padlock, which is kind of hard to get out. And it is tied on there. There it is. That's cute. And then, let's see. And then the inside is, you can see it with the light. Looks like a periwinkle color with miniature LV monogram logo. And there's a little pouch right there. That's zippered. Just a small little pouch. Just open this up for you so you can see in the inside. And here's that pouch again. It's a beautiful I guess like a periwinkle or a lilac purple to it. But it's very adorable because you have the little monogram and they're miniature up against the giant monogram right there. Okay. And then here is the shoulder straps. You can see the silver hardware again at the ends. There you go. And then I believe this comes in like about 3 pieces where it separates. I'll put that one back on. I'm adjusted to the shortest since I am not tall. I am 4'9", so I'll adjust it to the shortest length. So when I put it on, it doesn't look too crazy long on me. There we go. Just place this back on there. Alrighty. And let's go ahead and attach that to the sides here. It's a very beautiful bag. It's so summery, spring-like colors. Pink with yellow, with the light blue, a lilac. It's such a beautiful combination. Alrighty. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you some shots on the body. Well, thank you for watching my video on the LV Escale Collection Speedy Bandouliere 30. So I'll be getting the mini pochette and also the LV Escale collection. So I'll be doing an unboxing there, so go ahead and check that out. Leave me any comments or suggestions in the comments below. Oh, there's this is Riley. And I hope you guys keep safe during this pandemic, okay? You guys take care. Bye.